I'm back with another what's for dinner. A lot of you guys have been asking me, where is the what's for dinner? Why you don't do the what's for dinner? Honestly, I just been lazy. That's the only reason. But 2018, I am bringing it back. One of my New Year's resolution was to stop being so lazy. I don't know how long this gonna last. Y'all know New Year's resolutions only last maybe a couple weeks to a month. I know mine do anyway. So yeah, I promise y'all, I'm gonna kick out these what's for dinner. I think every now and then I might do a what's for breakfast or what's for dessert. I rarely cook desserts because I think, a horrible baker. I think it'd be fun to just do it anyway. Trial and error. No professionalism over here. I don't claim to be no professional cook or anything. Food I'm gonna be cooking on this channel is just gonna be your regular old everyday food. No gourmet Food Network type stuff. So I think I'm gonna upload the what's for dinner videos every Wednesday or Thursday. It was on Fridays. We kind of eat out on Fridays. So I'm gonna just try to upload them on Wednesday or Thursday. So today I'm gonna be cooking some lemon pepper wings. And I'm also gonna be cooking the lemon pepper chicken tenders because everybody in my household don't like wings and vice versa. I have been wanting some lemon pepper rings ever since I went to Detroit and my brother had ordered from this restaurant called Captain J's. He ordered some lemon pepper wings and they were so good. And I've been wanting some ever since. So I'm gonna start off with some wings. I got 2 packs of wings here and it's about 8 in each pack. And then I already opened the chicken tenders. I already mixed up the lemon pepper sauce. So this sauce consists of 2 packs of butter. You can use more or less depending on how many wings you got. I squirted in a couple squeezes of this real lemon. And I'm using this Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning. It's salt free because I'm gonna be seasoning the chicken with some Lawry seasoning salt, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. I'm gonna just use a little bit of black pepper because this already has black pepper in it. I got my flour over here in a Walmart grocery bag. Told y'all it's nothing fancy, nothing gourmet over here. So I'm gonna be using my turkey deep fryer because I want to fry all the wings at once. It's already preheated to 375. So I'm gonna open these wings up, rinse them off, cut them in half. So we have the wing and the drum. Okay, so I got the wings all cut up. I'm about to season it with some Lawry seasoning salt, some garlic powder, and a little bit of black pepper. So I'm just going to massage the seasoning into the wing and make sure that the wings are fully coated with the seasoning. Okay, so now I'm about to add the wings to the flour bag. And shake up the flour bag. The wings are fully coated with the flour. So I'm about to put them in the deep fryer. So I got the wings and the tenders out of the deep fryer. Okay, so here's the lemon pepper sauce. I think I'm gonna throw the wings in here and like toss this around in here and then put them back in the pan. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so this is what they look like with the sauce, the lemon pepper sauce drizzled all over it. So I'm about to pop these in the oven for about 5 minutes on 375 degrees. Okay, so they're out of the oven. This is what they're looking like. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more of the lemon pepper Mrs. Dash to just give it, to give it an extra kick. So I'm about to make our plates. The kids are having French fries with theirs, and I'm just gonna have lima beans and corn. Okay, so we're about to do a little taste test. I put the lima beans and the corn on my plate along with the wings. I love the flats, so that's why I got so many of the flats. I only got like one drum. Niyah likes Chinder tenders, no bone, so she got 3 of those, and she got fries. So let's do a little taste test. I already know they're not gonna taste like
the ones that we had.
Yeah, the ones that we had, because I mean, it's just that I'm pretty sure they don't use Mrs. Dash seasoning. So let's try it. All right, let's try it. It's good. It tastes like lemon pepper.
Yeah, it tastes like lemon.
But it don't taste like
the one that we had.
It don't taste nothing like the one we had. Wow.
It's pretty good.
Very good though. It does have a strong lemon pepper flavoring, but it don't taste like Captain J's.
Yeah, it don't. But
Okay.
it's good.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what y'all would like to see me cook next. And if I cook the item that you request, I'll give you a shout out when I cook the item or the food. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye.